Hey everyone, welcome back to Yarn Movement. Today's lesson is yarn balls. You've guessed it. I have two here just as an example of what we're going to be making. There will be two materials that you need, basically. A skein of yarn of your choice. I'll be using the Red Heart sachet and a set of lovely hands. So let's get started. So you want to first start by just removing the label. And for this yarn here, they typically put the ending right in the middle so we can just kind of pull it from there. And what you're gonna do is, since I am right hand strong, I utilize my left hand to guide my the beginning of the ball. And so I want to start by just wrapping maybe 20 around my hand. And then you're gonna take what you have, kind of like remove it from your hand and then pinch it in the middle and do like a bow tie thing and make it about 10 there in the middle. And then you're from there gonna fold it over and wrap in place. And from there you're just kind of utilize that as the center or the core of your yarn ball and keep on wrapping around. And as you see, I'm kind of moving as I wrap. So every time I wrap yarn, it ends up in a different location. And maybe a few times around. And what I like to do is, currently these are going up and down. So I'll turn it towards me and wrap that way and do a few rounds that way. And again, you want to turn. And don't worry about the yarn skein if it falls on the ground. That's kind of like the point of us making a yarn ball. So while you're working on your project, you don't have to worry about it kind of flopping all over the place. I'm about done here. And you just want to keep on turning. Or keep on rolling, get your roll on. And at the end, you want to tuck the last piece within one of those rounds. And there you have it, the perfect yarn ball. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Look forward for more lessons to follow. And remember, always embrace your dopeness.